Okay, problem 2a, we want to solve this system using elimination. Now, our goal with elimination is to combine our two equations into one and get one of our variables to cancel out. Now, in order for us to do that, we need to, while looking at our two equations, we need to use equivalent systems, which means we need to multiply one of our equations by a number so that if we look at our two equations, our first one and our second one, for one of our variables, those coefficients are either the same or are opposites. So looking at this, we have 3x in this equation and 2x in that equation. So I could get those coefficients to be the same if I multiplied the top equation by 2 and the bottom equation by 3, but that's two steps. So if you look at the y terms instead, here y has a coefficient of 1, but here it has a coefficient of -4. So I'm going to multiply my bottom equation by +4. So what I mean by that is I'm going to multiply every single term by +4, on both sides of the equal sign. You have to remember to do it on both sides. And let's keep going and see what we get. 4 times 2x is 8x, plus 4 times y is 4y, equals 1 times 4 is 4. So that's the new equation that we're working with. And now we want to use that and the original first equation up there. We want to add these two equations together. So I'm going to write the other equation, aka the first equation, underneath this one. And now I want to literally add these two equations together. So add on the left side of the equal sign and add on the right side of the equal sign. So just combine like terms like you would normally. 8x plus 3x is going to be 11x. Positive 4y minus 4y is 0. Those terms eliminate. That's why this is called elimination. So we have 11x equals 4 plus 18 is 22. So divide by 11 on both sides and you get x equals 2. I prefer elimination to substitution. I think it's quicker and more elegant. So just like before, now that we have one of our variables, we need to substitute into one of our equations to find y. It doesn't matter which equation you plug into. Again, try to pick one that's going to be easier for you. So I'm going to plug into this bottom equation, 2x plus y equals 1, because I'm trying to find y, and y already has a coefficient of 1 there, so that will be easier for me to solve. But again, you could plug it into any of the equations. But I'm throwing this there, so I'll rewrite that, 2x plus y equals 1, and I'm substituting in 2 for x, so I'm going to get 2 times 2 plus y equals 1. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, plus y equals 1. Subtract 4 on both sides, and you get y equals -3. So now I have my answer, again, the ordered pair, 2, -3. And now I'm done.